Hi, guys. Welcome to the deck at the Canterbury Manor, which was established by my husband, myself, and our 5 children in 1992. My family has since adopted 4 children, which is adding more life for the manor. Originally, the home was built in 1912 by a USC history professor for his wife. The Canterbury Manor is now 110 years old. This craftsman home has weathered many events, such as earthquakes, my sister's wedding reception, baby showers, funeral repasts, baptisms, birthday parties, 4th of July, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter, Juneteenth. Oh my gosh, more than that, just family gatherings. Recently, I was honored to hold a champagne party for my granddaughter, Victoria, who is attending UC Irvine. Prior to her event, we celebrated my grandson's Donald's departure to Sacramento State. You name it, and we have hosted it. Guys, my family means everything to me. My family is really my greatest gift. Now I'm going to use Canterbury Manor to support me as I delve into my next chapter. Cooking has always been a joy for me. Let's get this journey moving with some Southern down home cuisine and south of the border cuisine. Happy cooking, you guys.